So what do you think goes in that second blank? A factor is two numbers that are
Multiply.
1, 2, 3.
Multiply.
Now let's read that together after you guys write it. I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I say 3, we're going to read this together, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Factors.
Two numbers that are multiplied together to get a product. Okay, guys? Now see that 5? Always remember that underline, okay? You see right at the end? Everybody make sure to underline that 5, okay? Take your pencils out. So now we all remember where the factor is. It's extremely important for our lesson today, okay? Let's go to the second line. Now, what happens when we multiply two factors together? Corlana, what do we get? What do we get? A product? What do you think we get? Can you say that a little bit louder?
We get a product.
Remember, board equals paper. I want everybody to write down product in that second line. Good job, good job. Now we're going to read it all together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Product. The result of two numbers being multiplied together.
Now you see that 10? I want everybody to underline that 10 at the very end of the sentence, okay? So we can remember what a factor and a product is. Now today, we're going to go over a raise, but it's going to go a step in the right direction, okay guys?
All right.
Now I want you all to follow with me, and what I write on the board, that's going to be on your paper, okay? Number 1, today, in the steps to solving multiplication word problems using equal groups. Number 1, we're going to identify the number of, what was that first number that we used in the equation? Was that the row or was that the column? Tony? Everybody write rows on the first problem, okay? Identify the number of rows. Now, when we found out the row, did we draw it or did we spell it out? What do you think we did? What did we do? Rows will go on the second line, okay? Now, after we found out the rows, what did we identify next? Was it another row or was it the column? Elisa?
Column.
Everybody write columns in the third line. Now when we made columns, the columns go under what? Another column or a row? Dwayne, do you think it's another column or a row? Dwayne's correct. We will fill in columns under each row.